Most beginners don't lose money because the stock market is risky. They lose money because of this. And if you're new to investing, this video could save you thousands. Every year, millions of people enter the stock market hoping to get rich. But most beginners end up losing money or quitting completely. Let's talk about why this happens. It's not because the market is rigged. It's not because you need insider information. And it's definitely not because you're bad at math. The biggest reason beginners lose money is emotion. They buy when prices are high because everyone is excited. And they sell when prices crash because they're scared. Fear and greed destroy more portfolios than bad stocks ever could. Imagine buying a stock after watching it go up for weeks. Then suddenly, it drops 20%. Instead of waiting, most beginners panic and sell. That loss becomes permanent. Most beginners invest without a plan. They don't know why they bought the stock. They don't know when to sell. And they don't know how much risk they can handle. Without a plan, every market move feels like an emergency. That's when bad decisions happen. Another big mistake is chasing hype. Beginners buy stocks everyone is talking about on social media. By the time you hear about it, smart money is already selling. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Many beginners trade too much. They think more trades means more profit, but frequent trading leads to more mistakes and more fees. Most wealth in the stock market is made slowly, not overnight. Patience beats activity. Beginners underestimate compound interest. They want fast results, but real wealth comes from consistency over time. Someone investing $500 every month for years often beats someone trying to time the market, not because they're smarter, but because they're consistent. So how do beginners avoid losing money? Here are 3 simple rules. Rule number 1. Invest with a long-term mindset. Ignore daily market noise. Rule number 2. Have a simple plan. Know why you're investing before you start. Rule number 3. Control your emotions. The market rewards patience, not panic. Most beginners don't fail because they lack information. They fail because they don't control behavior. Fix that, and investing becomes much easier. If you're serious about building wealth the smart way, follow this channel for simple investing explained.